Hey guys, it's plane day, which means we are going on 2 planes, 2 airports. In total, this trip we would have been to 5 airports: Auckland, Incheon, Narita, Haneda, oh my god, I forgot. Anyway. It's 4:30 in Japan this morning. We're not back in New Zealand until tomorrow, the 30th of May. We have to go to 2 airports today. We have a layover in Korea for 5 hours and then we fly home. I think the flight is 11 hours and with the time difference we'll be home at 7 in the morning tomorrow. We are just about to leave and go on the train. I think the train's an hour and 7 minutes. I think the train to Narita airport is 800 and something yen, so I have to put some money on my card. I think I don't have like 500 yen on my Coca card. It is pouring down outside of our Airbnb. We stayed on the street here. Look at the road signs. Just waiting for the boys to come out. We're gonna catch a train. I'm the only smart one that kept my umbrella.
So far, no, it's our last day here in Japan. We're about to head home to the airport.
Super tired. I'm gonna be exhausted when I get home.
So we're just going to head to the airport. It's raining. It's going to be an interesting bumpy flight, but it should be right about it.
I think this travel would have been to 5 airports.
David's so mad at me because he doesn't need to. He could buy them in New Zealand.
좌석 승강시와 테이블을 제자리로 여권에게 제출하셔야 합니다.
Look at that. So we're at the Incheon airport and I got myself a mad burger, chips and a drink. I'm getting that sick Cayenne before I get on the airplane for 12 hours eating that kaka airplane food. We only get one meal on the airplane and it'll probably be either dinner or breakfast or something like that. So.
Goodbye, Korea. Goodbye, Korea.
I'll see you soon.
Beef and gravy, a bread roll, a ham salad by the looks of it, some cake, Coke, yogurt, a muffin and some water. Oh, what is that? So strange. We have 11 minutes till landing. How was the clutch?
I got almost crying. I was like, I'm
Did you
nearly
see the Air
home.
New Zealand?
Yeah. Like an hour and 2 hours and I'll be home.
Do you see the Air New Zealand?
Shower, straight into bed. Yeah, honestly, hey. Sleep. But if you're too tired, bro, you can just crash on the couch.
We're home. Yeah, I'm so excited. Honestly, I've never been more excited to be in New Zealand than right now. We're just gonna go through customs and buy some duty free. Turn around and say hello.
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 We're home. What? Not really.
Kinda. Hello. I'm home. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
This is what I bought in duty free. I brought Malibu and Viva La Juicy.